Welcome, everyone. Dr. Anthony Criniti IV here, also known as Dr. Finance. Folks, I have just a very quick video today. I just want to talk about my store. I have a new store that I'm selling different merchandise out there. I just want to give you a little sample of it. Just very super quick video because I actually ordered some samples myself. I wanted to try it out, make sure it's good. And here's kind of like a review of it as well. So I'm using the app. It's called Creator Spring, and they're the ones who I've outsourced to do this job for the time being. And this is some of the products that they have. So from by the way, if you check it out, I got all kinds of stuff from bath mugs to from mugs to floor mats for the bathroom. I have puzzles and t-shirts, sweatshirts, all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of different product ranges. So I'm just going to show you just real quickly just some of the samples. So this is a mug and it has the Dr. Finance logo on it. Okay. So it's a wraparound. Some of these products are made in China, so I don't know if that is an issue with you guys or not, but I just want to make that out there. I took the label off. It's a ceramic mug. It's pretty good. So I like this one. I like this. I've also made this with, and I've created a lot of all these myself. So the ones that I put on there recently have some of my quotes on there with pictures and stuff. So that's pretty cool. All right. So the ceramic mug, go. I like that a lot. If you want to buy it again, go to if you're on the YouTube page, there's a store button, or you can go to my website, drfinance.info, and I have a store page link right there. It'll send you right to it. So all these products, by the way, I got them very quickly in a week or 2 weeks. Okay, so it's not that long of a wait. It's not like 2 days like Amazon Prime or anything like that, but it still arrives in a relatively good amount of time. Okay, so the other one was this. Now I've already showed these two products, this one, the mug, on the last video I did last week, but I want to show it again because I got two more products and I want to just compare real quick. So this is also a wraparound. It has the Dr. Finance logo on there. It's really cool. Because I did wraparound with this, the color actually is slightly less stronger than the if I would have did it a little bit smaller in this particular glass. Everything's good. I mean, it's glass, it's pretty strong. The only thing I would say though, and I mentioned this the last time, it did come with a little bit of a crack. You can't really see it in the video that much, but it's like right here. It's a tiny micro crack, and I don't know how long this will last in the dishwasher before that crack expands, kind of like a windshield. So something to consider if you're getting the glassware, just to make sure that it does take time. Excuse me one second. Pause that. Yeah, sorry about that, folks. So basically what I'm saying with the glass, if that might be an issue for you, if it comes a little bit cracked or whatnot, then I would, if any of that happens, of course, contact the people, the manufacturers of this product and the Creator Spring, and let them know. Okay, and hopefully they'll get you a return. But that's why I would recommend, really for now, just sticking with like the stronger products, so you don't have to worry about that whole breaking issue. So that comes down to the next product I wanted to talk about, and I'm going to tell you straight up, like this is anything that I notice, bad, good or bad, I want you to know about. I don't really. If you want to buy it, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. But here's an issue I have. Okay, so this is a beautiful product. This is a jacket, a bomber jacket, and it's got the Dr. Finance podcast on the back. This is actually a custom one I did for myself, as I put Dr. Finance on the front. I don't know if I've released it to the public yet, but most of them just have one or the other on both sides. This one I actually have the name and the podcast again on the back. Okay, Dr. Finance Live podcast on the back. This is very thin. Okay, I thought it was going to be thicker. So it's a relatively expensive product, but it's pretty thin. It's polyester though. It is polyester, which means 100%, which means it would endure like rain and and weather and all that stuff, but it's not going to keep you warm. So it's a really cool jacket. I mean, I like it. It's got I don't know if you can see this at the bottom. I don't know what you call that, but basically it's kind of like a spandex type material at the bottom. It's got some good pockets to it. But here's an issue again, folks. Now, I didn't mess with this because I wanted to actually do this on the video. But the zipper comes zippered like that. And it doesn't zipper. The zipper's stuck. This product that's about 60 something, almost $70 arrived, and the zipper does not come down. I've had several people test this out for me, and we all got the same effect. So I don't want to rip it because this is very thin and it could easily be ripped. So I'm probably going to take it to a tailor to open it up. And I'm also making this video to send it to Creator Spring, let them know that this is an issue. Okay. So, all right. So far we had 2 issues. We're 2 out of 3, or 1 for 3 for really good stuff. I'm not saying the material's good. I just thought it would have been a lot stronger of a product. And again, there's probably 50 or more, maybe 100 products that I have on that page. These are just some of them that I have samples. And also I want to show you. Okay, so I ordered, this is pretty cool. Okay, this is I guess you call it a bucket hat. So Dr. Finance bucket hat. It repeats its name twice, one on each side, and then it has the logo at the top. Now I created this design on the bottom. See the lower part right here. This part. This is if you wrap it around, it's actually the logo that repeats itself. But because I expanded it, you can't really see the words, but it's created a design that blends with the rest of the hat. So again, it's here's the hat. And if you have a bigger head like myself, though, it doesn't really fit bigger heads. Not bad though. Dr. Finance. I like that. That's pretty cool. So this is really for a smaller type person. It's one size fits all, but it's really for not too big people and under. Okay, smaller, it'll just like it'll look like that on your head if your head's really small. But so anyway, spending too much time on this product, but I just wanted to show you the inside's really cool. It's got these, I guess, air holes to breathe, and the material. I just want to double check. I thought it was 100% polyester. Yeah, 100% polyester, machine wash cold, made in USA. This one's made in USA. This is really, it's good material. I do like this. This would be perfect, like maybe like a fishing hat. There's all different colors, by the way, too, folks. You don't have to get just black and gold. I got several colors on there. But this would be perfect for like the summer or fishing or the beach or something like that. So check it out if you want to support what I'm doing. These are just some examples of the products that I'm selling out there through my website and through the social media channels to support the movement that I'm building to educate people about finance. So that's it, folks. That's all I wanted to tell you guys about. And check out the store again. Go to Dr. Finance. Ooh, that's the books. Read those books. drfinance.info. There's a store. Also on the YouTube page, you can go directly to the store from there. It's on my channel, Dr. Finance, and check it out. And also, again, if you want to read my books, The Necessity of Finance, my first one written over 10 years ago. Let's see, yeah, over 10 years ago. And then the most important lessons in economics and finance, and finally the survival of the richest. And these all tie into the brand of learning about finance and all that stuff. So thank you again, folks. I appreciate you all for listening to me today. And we'll see you in the next episode. Got a lot of content ready for you guys in store. So stay tuned. Thank you. Dr. Finance.